it's Perfume. I'm here to wage bait Bled because I don't know this song. Bled is right behind me. Yeah. Okay. Anyways. Yeah. She said I'm slow. I'm not. Actually, Neo here. Perfume is pretty slow. Okay. Now to Bled. Go.
Hey, I'm a nonchalant dreadhead because I'm just chill like that,
You're bald.
I'm bred. And even though I'm bald, I have imaginary dreads. Okay, I'm like really nonchalant. Bred, no, Perfume is chalant, and like yeah, I hate her so much.
Okay. You still have 4 seconds, but okay. You know you're up first, right?
Oh yeah.
Oopsie.
Who's the slow one? Oh, I thought you were doing like another thing. You pretend you can't see all the certain reason, even your own heart beats. How come you're also so late to speak? Your cries are reading completely.
You know, I really think this is a little simple. Okay, so the great escape. We'll have to wait you are. I can't read this fast.
Just try!
You know how this thing. Maybe it's better if you play really down and you say you're giving in to power away. The whole is just really nice. In the still heart, somewhere really tight.
Oh my god,
whenever you go things, I was sending these back till you tied up my best side.
violated.
Cause your color listen looks like a prayer. Your beating heart is going to so it's fascinating. Now, not a trace of your life.
Sing faster!
And your fortune is going faint while you dodge in your face, but in your face, you're busy living
Let it go
out
like this! You have to drag it!
Just living this thing, somebody help me right away. She told me to drag it, so now I'm dragging it down. Oh, my bad. Why would you? When? Okay,
Sorry.
you dodge in the face, in your face, you're busy living. Yeah, this is just because, this is Blood's fault, by the way.
What's my fault?
It's her fault. Try this one here. Super constant, to mind is in me. I think it's my own deep, and I see every trick of your sleep. Soon I'm coming out of you, so you find your friend in time. It's not hard to use your mind, it's better than that. Shut up. Father slave, you see, my disease in me, I can be his mother and be. What? I can't. I'm swinging at time, I'm found it. I can tell you something because I'm time. I'm surprised I did that. Hey! It's so rewarding everything. You're caught in the chains of a past like they were slipping on and on. It's all the same as they were changing. Okay, let's bring it once again in vain. You can't give space, give it all away. Having only what you saw remain will be your fate awaiting. Wait for this day, it's like a celebration, looks like a prayer. You are the way that you have to do. Okay, I'm not singing it tonight. The chance not to mistake. If you stand hunting game by the truth, this way you are end up done. But some days it's just hard to some mystery. Oh. Okay, yeah, that's part 2.
Should we do another one?
Sure.